Sometimes life breaks you not just emotionally, but entirely. Your confidence, your dreams, your relationships, your sense of purpose, gone. In those moments, you don't need sympathy. You need philosophy. You need the Stoics. These 5 Stoic principles are not just words, they are weapons. Forge them, sharpen them, use them to rebuild your life from the ashes. Amor fati, a phrase used by the Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius. It means love your fate, not tolerate it, not endure it, but love it. When your life falls apart, the first instinct is to ask, why me? The Stoic asks. Why not me? Because pain is the forge where character is built. The setbacks, the betrayals, the failures, they are the raw material of your comeback. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it." You can't rebuild your life by resisting reality. You rebuild it by accepting that this moment, this suffering, is a gift, not a curse. Epictetus taught one of the most liberating truths in human history. Some things are up to us, some things are not. You can't control whether someone loves you, but you can control how you love yourself. You can't control the economy, the weather, your past mistakes. You can control your discipline, your attitude, your next move. Epictetus said, "Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens." When everything feels out of control, the Stoic doesn't panic. He finds the one thing he still owns: his mind. And from that foundation, he rebuilds everything else. You will die. Maybe not today, but one day your name will be whispered for the last time. Everything you worry about now will mean nothing. The Stoics weren't morbid, they were clear-eyed. They used death as motivation, not for despair, but for urgency. Seneca wrote, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life. Let us postpone nothing." When you remember that your time is short, your excuses die, your fear dies. And in that grave, something stronger is born. Purpose. The Stoics believed in the logos, the rational order of the universe. A piece of that divine reason. When chaos rises, when anger burns, when emotions flood your mind. The Stoic principle of logos reminds you, you are not a beast, you are not a victim, you are a human being with reason, Marcus Aurelius said. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Rebuilding your life doesn't require perfection, it requires wisdom. It means choosing reason over reaction, thought over impulse, virtue over vengeance. Most people are broken by hardship because they never saw it coming. The Stoic prepares, Seneca taught. He robs present ills of their power who has perceived their coming beforehand. Premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. The art of imagining what could go wrong, not to live in fear, but to become unbreakable. Life will test you again. But the Stoic smiles. He's trained for this. This is how you rebuild your life, not with noise, not with rage, not with revenge, but with philosophy. Amor fati, love your fate. Dichotomy of control, master your mind. Memento mori, remember death. Logos, live with reason. Premeditatio malorum, expect the storm. You don't need motivation. You don't need luck. You need these 5 Stoic truths etched into your soul like marble. It will not just rebuild your life, it will forge you into something better than before.